Hello, folks. It is 3 in the morning again, and I decided I wanted to do another update on my career status, I guess. Basically covering what I couldn't cover in the first video, the first update I did like roughly a month ago. Yeah, um, yeah, I'm not too dedicated with YouTube. It's kind of why I abandoned any chance I had with making it a thing. There's just too much goes on in life for that sort of thing. Anyway, I wanted to dedicate this update on just a short recap of what I kind of do as an illustrator. I'm more of a comic book artist nowadays. As you can see here, here's like a little spread that I've been working on. And to prove this is a spread that I made, here's me holding it and stuff. Backside and stuff. Yep. Pretty fragile stuff because it's inked on top of 211 by 17 sheets of cardstock. So yeah, it's less durable than per se if I inked it on Bristol, but if there's anything I've learned from using Bristol is that it will not take dye-based inks. So I tend to use these as my primary tools. I use a Pigma Micron and a Pentel color brush pen. The only color brush pens you'll find in stores, at least in the US, if you go to your local Michaels, are going to be only in black. If you go to Dick Blick, I believe you can get them in an assorted amount of colors. But yeah, brush is my primary tool when it comes to inking and stuff. I used to use a Winsor & Newton number 2 brush until I realized that the type of ink I was using at the time was Speedball, and that ink would clog up my brush badly. Like, it would dry up faster than it would dry up in there in the ferrule of the brush, destroying it before I even got a chance to use it. So yeah, traditional brushes are a no bueno. So, you know, you just gotta experiment. Use what you can. Use, what's the word I'm trying to look for, or the phrase? Use what works best for you is what I'm trying to say. And so far, brush pens work for me just fine. I also apologize for the short stutters, like the constant uhs I'll throw here and there. That's just how that's sort of how I roll, I guess. But I guess that's enough about that stuff. I wanna show you guys the kind of stuff that I do. I saw that I've been gaining a lot of traction to that latest upload. So in case people continue to watch these videos, I'm just, I'll keep doing the updates a lot frequently, I guess. But yeah, if you want to see how my artwork looks like, actually, what you see on the drawing board right here is not my work, it's somebody else's. I'm just inking on top of it. Don't ask what the occasion it is for, I won't answer, but it's special. Let's just say I'm doing somebody a favor. Okay? So, here's some of my work. Some of the stuff I like to do. There's this character I made up. If you saw in my first update, you saw that I was demonstrating you a little booklet, a little zine that I had made. Well, that little zine had a section where it portrayed a caveman-like character. This is like one of the first instances in which I drew him. If you can see that, let me just lay that right here so it just doesn't fall and you can see better. Ah, man, that glare. Well, can't really do anything about that, I guess. I guess that's the best you'll get. Some sketchy stuff. What I will say is that Asylum Productions is currently in the works of getting me my own art book. That guy's there again. Commission work. And not so much commission work. Just overall a lot of experimental stuff. That's about it, really. But what was I saying? Oh yeah, I am getting my own art book made in the coming months, so I will try to promote it the best I can. You're hearing it. You're hearing it from me for the first time. You won't hear it anywhere in any other social media or whatnot. This is the only place you'll hear of this sort of stuff. But yeah, I'm glad to keep you guys posted. Anyway, if you'd like to ask questions, you know, I'm always free to answer them whenever I can. But for all intents and purposes, just stay in tune for the coming updates, I guess. All right, cheers.